It's hard not to love office gadgets and toys that boost productivity, are fun to play with, and can even have quality of life perks that make coming to work a little more comfortable. So many of these gadgets are useful, making office life more convenient and keeping your managers happy, and some of them are downright ingenious. Whether you're looking to change up your office flow or just want to contribute something great to your team, check out these 10 office gadgets that your employees will love in 2021. Number 1. Affordable standing desk converters. Actual standing desks are expensive, but the positive health effects have made them increasingly popular in 2019. Instead of springing for entirely new furniture, test out standing desk converts. These are much more budget-friendly and can be placed on top of your desk when you're feeling like standing instead of sitting. Number 2. Laminated wall calendars. Project management software can keep your team on track, but having a visual that everyone can see regularly ensures that nothing slips between the cracks and that everyone is on the same page. Have one for the office in general, or get a few for each department. There are wall calendars you can add to a blank wall in your workspace, where you can add everything from office meetings to big deadlines everyone needs to remember. Number 3. The Pomodoro Timer. The Pomodoro technique is a productivity booster that encourages workers to work for 25 minutes at a time on a set task, take a short break, and then head back to work. After 4 25-minute sessions, you take a longer break. If your office encourages this scheduling, choose an adorable Pomodoro timer to help you stay on track and on schedule. Any timer will work well for this, but you just can't beat a timer in the shape of an actual Pomodoro tomato. Number 4. Solar-powered battery charger. We've all been caught with our phones dwindling much closer to zero battery than we'd like, and it always seems to happen when there are no plugs in sight. This solar-powered battery charger is a game changer for these situations. All you need to do is stick the charger against a window with great natural light and use it to get your battery life back up. As an added bonus, using solar power instead of electrical can cut back on energy bills over time. Number 5. Book-to-screen highlighters/scanners. If you ever need to sort through a large number of documents and files to find key facts that must be organized, this book-to-screen highlighter and scanner is a great gadget that your employees will absolutely love. As you glide this highlighter over a document or book in front of you, it will scan the text directly to the computer application or web browser of your choice. It can even translate the text into more than 40 different languages. Number 6. Washable keyboards. Soda and coffee spills are inevitable. And with washable keyboards, you won't be sentencing an employee to an eternally sticky keyboard after a small mishap. There are several washable keyboards out there, but Logitech's is a great option. It's durable and can even be soaked in water and dish soap when a full cup of tea goes tumbling directly on top of it. Number 7. A smart pen. It may seem like we've gone too far with office gadgets in 2019 if we've even got smart pens as luxury items. But hear me out. Sometimes, having such a simple item that's so incredibly useful can go a long way. The Beyond Ink Pen is a smart pen that does act as a pen, but it also acts as tablet-friendly stylus, 16G memory drive, and phone cable. It's made with stainless steel and brass, and comes with a built-in battery to help charge your devices. Bring it with you everywhere and you'll be set. Just make sure that none of your clients accidentally walk off with it. Number 8. A high-tech memo board. Paper memos are often overlooked, and they're also wasteful and potentially costly over time. Instead of relying on paper memos that just get tossed in the trash, opt for a high-tech memo board, like the LCD writing tablet. Place this tablet in the break room, kitchen, or other high-traffic areas to distribute messages. Share information about upcoming office events, big announcements, or quotes of the day. Number 9. Cable organizers. Nothing can stress out a Type A person more than walking into an office to see cluttered desk full of tangled up cords. Cable organizers like these are affordable and can be bought in bulk, and will allow your team to have a neat, clutter-free, tangle-free workspace. Trust us when we say these little desk accessories can go a long way in office organization. Number 10. A smart warming coffee mug. Managers are often pulled in too many directions, meaning that their coffee can get cold and stale before they even get to savor their morning pick-me-up. This self-warming coffee mug will prevent that from happening, keeping their drink hot so they can start the day off right. And this covers the list we picked for the best gadgets that any office needs. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.